Launching the Estes Amraam on a B64 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we've got a good parachute there. Here it comes. Oh, look, it's still smoking. Not bad. I haven't flown this model in probably 20 years. But there you go, and back to Fundy Puppet Show. Hey, check this out. This is a thin mill nylon parachute that I had custom made probably over 20 years ago. In a way, model rocketry shares something in common with the fandom in that you have individuals that specialize in making certain fursuit parts, and we have people in rocketry that specialize in making different rocket parts, either balsa machine service, machining balsa blocks and basswood blocks into nose cones, or 3D printing of parts, or there's even a concern that makes custom airframe tubing and other parts. So with that, we sign off, and thank you for letting us share this with you at the Fundy Puppet Show.